According to Garmin, the eagerly awaited iPhone 15 lineup will feature a number of intriguing advancements. He now claims that Apple would use a technology called LiPo to reduce the bezels from 2.2mm in size to 1.5mm, which is one of the most notable cosmetic changes predicted on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. Although that might not seem like a significant difference, in practice it will make it appear much more futuristic. This move actually moves Apple closer to its goal of an all-screen phone, but that's not all. The Pro models will also have titanium frames, which are lighter, stronger, and less likely to collect fingerprints than stainless steel. Theoretically, this could also mean that the frames will be painted matte. His report also highlights significant camera improvements for the iPhone 15 lineup, and the Pro models, including the Pro Max, are expected to receive some major upgrades. According to rumors, the Pro Max will actually include a telephoto periscope zoom system that will range from 5x to 6x. This will be a significant increase over the existing Pro Max's 3x telephoto zoom camera, and the normal models will also receive an upgrade to the main camera. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will actually have a 48-megapixel main camera, which is a significant improvement even though the sensor won't be as large as the one in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Nevertheless, it will still be smaller than the sensor in the iPhone 14 by about 1.5 inches, which is still a significant improvement over the sensor in the iPhone 14. The iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max will actually include a significant boost in the shape of an Apple's A17 Bionic processor, while the chipset department will remain the same as the iPhone 14, with the A16 Bionic chip from the iPhone 14 Pro from a year ago. The Garmin also discloses that the iPhone 15 will have certain interior improvements, which could include the same detachable back glass. This would make repairs easier to perform and less expensive. Now, the challenge is to satisfy the increased demand for the iPhone 15's OLED panels. We already know that the regular models of the iPhone 15 will include the same dynamic island. The USB-C port will also be a feature shared by all of these iPhone 15 versions, although its capabilities may vary according on the model, with the Pro versions having Thunderbolt support similar to that of the iPad Pros. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.